The Jersey Shore is still feeling the devastation of Superstorm Sandy 4 years later, and the rocker of the shore, Jon Bon Jovi, is coming to help those living on a prayer. Coupled with his organization, Jon Bon Jovi Soul Foundation and the Beat Center, he's opening a facility to help victims of the devastating storm. The center will include the Jon Bon Jovi Soul Kitchen restaurant, healthcare, food stamps, and even culinary job training. Bon Jovi said many don't have nutritious food to eat. This was even a problem before the storm. In Ocean County, 1 in 5 residents are low income or live in poverty. By using his celebrity, he will fight to tackle this issue. When there's 15% of children going to be hungry at night in a nation like ours, that's not an issue it takes a scientist to solve. Toms River was one of the hardest hit communities during Superstorm Sandy, which hit October 29, 2012. Jersey has always loved their famed Bon Jovi, who lives by his lyrics, "I'll be there for you." I'm Elise Barker for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.